Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add quick response in Fiverr. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Fiverr application, and then you need to click on this message icon and select any conversation with your buyer. So here you can see the option, click on that, and here you can see the option of quick response. Click on add new. So you can name the quick response. I'm going to add hi, I will talk to you later. I will talk to you later, for an example. And then you need to click on apply. So here you can see that this response is now added here. So this is a process by which you can add quick response on Fiverr. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.